Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a home office clean with me. I have been working from home for several months and I just have a cute little office set up, and it got into a little bit of a mess, so I wanted to bring you guys along with me while I clean and reorganize it. I'll also be posting some of the items that I have on my desk, such as my planners and things like that, down below. So I hope you enjoy.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know.
So if you are new here, I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video. And for those of you who have watched my videos in the past, thank you as well. And again, this is my second video that I've made in several months. It's actually been close to 2 years. So I really do appreciate all of your support. Thank you so much. And if you are enjoying this video, if you wouldn't mind just giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe.
Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. I see it in your eyes. You want this even more, like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby.
So right here, I'm just using an old cloth diaper to actually wipe my desk down, along with the Method all-purpose cleaner. And I've actually been trying to use less and less of Method and Mrs. Meyer's. I just still have some that I bought over the years that I'm just trying to use up. So I've been trying to switch more to like Molly's Suds and Puracy, things like that. I also try to use like straight rubbing alcohol mixed with water, or vinegar mixed with essential oils and water as well. Just trying to go a little bit more natural in my cleaning, but I'm still trying to use these products up.
Yeah. Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, 'cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and
So here are some of the planners and notebooks that I've been using. This one is for 2023. I ordered it from Amazon. Actually, all of this stuff is from Amazon. This one's the 2022, so I'm not going to link it below since the year's almost over. And this one actually is for 2022. Also, I'm not going to link that one either. And then this notebook, I actually was not able to find it. I bought it about 7 months ago and I can't find it anywhere on Amazon, so they don't sell them anymore. I have those coasters. I will try to link those down below as well. This one I absolutely love. It is so adorable, and it has a little Bible verse at the bottom. It says, "Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart," Colossians 3:23. So, and there's my illustrating Bible. I will also try to link that down below as well.
We cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye.
So if you guys have any questions about anything, please put them in the comments down below. Also, I will be putting a link to the laptop stand, my keyboard, and the keyboard stand that it sits on. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for everyone for watching to the end, and I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.
I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does.